My name is Raihan Fadhilah.
My name is Erick Luthfi.
My name is Raditya, Aulia, Prayoga.
And this is our video.
And enjoy.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, man.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm not fine.
Why?
I'm so tired.
How do you go to my home?
With my motorcycle, I'm 2 hours from my home.
So how does it take to the campus?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
Wow, it takes so long.
Yes, I'm find some traffic and it's quite crowded.
Why don't you try another transportation?
I think riding motorcycle is I get more flexibility and I can save more my time.
Oh, if you take the train,
Yes.
you can take a rest and listen to the music.
Yeah. I'm gonna agree with you. Okay. Let's do this homework.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello, bro. Why you got late, bro? I got the traffic jam. I ride a motorcycle. Why don't you got the train? Sorry, bro. My home far from the station.